Now that all your aluminum post mounts are installed, the next step is to set your beam height. To do that, the simplest way, short of using a laser level, is to remove the aluminum insert from your 2x8 box beam, get a helper, and clamp that with a quick clamp to the post mount at the exact height that you want your finished beam to be. You want to make sure to level all your beams from post to post at this step. Once you have that height determined, you need to take your pencil and make a mark at the top of that beam. And then you're going to take a tape measure, hold it right at that mark, make another mark 8.5 inches below the top of the beam. That's the cut line. And that line we're going to trace all the way around the post with a speed square. Next step is to cut your post mount. You can use your back button and watch the video titled Layout and Cutting to see that demonstrated. Once your post mounts are cut, you're going to slide over your post mount standoff. This piece does not fasten to anything, it just sits right down on the top of that post base. You're going to take your post top plate and drop that in. And that sits right on top of your post, like so. You're going to find the fastener bag labeled post top plate to post mount. Put that fastener in your driver. And fasten that post top plate to the post mount. There's enough fasteners in here to put 2 in each side. And I recommend you go around all 4 sides with those fasteners. Once that post top plate and post standoff are installed, we can go ahead and put our vinyl post sleeve over that. Now the post sleeves come 10 foot long. So unless your pergola is exactly 10 feet, you're going to want to cut these down to size. To do that, you need one important measurement. That's your post base to the top of your post top plate. In the case here, that's 28 inches for our little mock-up pergola. So I'm going to want to measure and cut my vinyl post sleeve 9 inches longer than that. Okay, so I'm going to measure from the top. The top is the side that has this kind of hole cut out of it. I'm going to find 9 inches longer. That's 37 inches. Make a mark there. Take my speed square and transfer that mark around all 4 sides of the post sleeve. Again, I cut that in the layout and cutting video, so you can watch that if you use your browser's back button. Once the post sleeve is cut to the proper height, I'll slide that over. And it's a little tight right here, which is a good thing. You want that post to fit real tight down here at the bottom of the base and have a nice clean finished look when you're all done. The next step is to install your box beams, and we'll go from there.